Blood is the transport system of the body. It carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. An adult human has about 5 litres of blood in their body. When you cut yourself, your blood looks like a red liquid, but there's a lot more to it than that. Blood contains red blood cells. They're made in the bone marrow. Red cells have no nucleus. They're disc-shaped with a dip in the middle. This enables them to have a large surface area to volume ratio, which allows them to carry more oxygen. They look red because they contain a red pigment called hemoglobin, which contains iron. The job of the red cell is to transport oxygen and some carbon dioxide around the body. In the lungs, hemoglobin absorbs oxygen and some carbon dioxide and transports it around the body. In the lungs, hemoglobin absorbs oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. When blood reaches the body tissues, the reverse happens. Oxyhemoglobin readily gives up oxygen. White cells are much larger than red cells. They have a nucleus and there are far less of them, approximately 700 red cells to 1 white cell. They are made in the bone marrow. Their job is to protect the body against disease. Platelets are small fragments of cells. They have no nucleus and are made in the bone marrow. Their job is to help the blood to clot at a wound. Plasma is a yellow liquid which is mainly made of water with chemicals dissolved in it. It transports cells and platelets and soluble substances around the body. It carries sugars, amino acids, vitamins and minerals, waste products like urea and carbon dioxide, protein like antibodies, and hormones. Look at the following microscopic slide of blood. Look at the differences between the red and white cells. Identify and draw the cells you see.